Can you wire money online with Capital One? Intro. Hey everyone, have you ever been in a situation where you needed to get money to someone quickly and securely? Maybe you're helping a family member out of a jam, sending a down payment on a car, or splitting a vacation bill with friends. In these situations, a wire transfer might be the best option. But can you actually do a wire transfer online with Capital One? Let's dive in and find out. What is a wire transfer? Before we jump into Capital One specifically, let's take a quick step back and understand what a wire transfer actually is. A wire transfer is an electronic way to send money from one bank account to another, domestically or internationally. The money is sent electronically through a secure network, making it a very fast way to get funds to someone. Unlike traditional checks or money orders, which can take days or even weeks to clear, wire transfers typically arrive within the same day or the next business day. Why use a wire transfer? There are a few key reasons why someone might choose a wire transfer over other methods of sending money. Speed. As mentioned earlier, wire transfers are incredibly fast. If you need to get money to someone right away, a wire transfer is the way to go. Security. Wire transfers are a very secure way to send money. The funds are transferred electronically through a secure network, making it difficult for fraudsters to intercept them. Large amounts. Wire transfers are often used for larger sums of money that wouldn't be practical to send through a check or money order. Capital One and wire transfers. Alright, now that we understand the basics of wire transfers, let's get back to Capital One. The good news is that yes, you can initiate a wire transfer online through your Capital One account. Here are some key things to keep in mind. Domestic versus international. Capital One allows you to initiate domestic wire transfers online. However, if you need to send money internationally, you'll need to visit a branch location. Fees. There is a $30 fee for all domestic wire transfers initiated online. Be sure to factor this into your decision when choosing a wire transfer. Eligibility. Not all Capital One accounts are eligible for online wire transfers. Check with Capital One directly to see if your account qualifies. How to wire money online with Capital One. If you've determined that a wire transfer is the right option for you and your Capital One account is eligible, here's a quick rundown of the process for initiating a wire transfer online. Log into your Capital One account online. Select the account you want to transfer the money from. Navigate to the Account Services and Settings section. Click on Wire Money and enter the recipient's information. This will include their name, bank account number, routing number, and any other required details. Review the transfer details and fees. Once everything looks good, submit the transfer request. Alternatives to wire transfers. While wire transfers are a great option for certain situations, there are a few things to consider before you initiate one. Cost. The $30 fee for domestic wire transfers can be a significant drawback, especially for smaller amounts. Speed. While wire transfers are fast, there are often faster options available depending on your situation. For example, some banks offer person-to-person, P2P, payment services that allow you to send money instantly to someone with a bank account or mobile wallet. So, there you have it. You can definitely initiate domestic wire transfers online with Capital One, but there are some limitations and fees to consider. Choosing the right option. The best way to send money depends on your specific situation. Consider factors like speed, cost, and recipient convenience when making your decision. Python libraries for k-means clustering. Hey there, data enthusiasts. Since we were talking about sending money online, I figured you might also be interested in data analysis. If you're looking to perform k-means clustering analysis on a dataset, here are a couple of powerful Python libraries you can use. Scikit-learn. This is a popular and versatile machine learning library that includes a well-documented implementation of k-means clustering. Pandas. While not strictly a clustering library, Pandas is a fantastic tool for data manipulation and analysis, which is often a crucial step before performing k-means clustering. Thanks for watching.